Hey everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am sneaking in today with an unboxing of the January White Rose Crafts subscription kit. And here we go. There we go. Let me pull my scissors out. Yeah, I haven't opened this at all. I haven't even seen a picture of this. I have no idea what's in here. So let's see. It'd probably be more fun for you as a viewer if I didn't bang my camera around. If I pre-opened this is what I was really gonna say. If I pre-opened it. Okay, I'm fighting the box. Putting the scissors away. Ooh, look at the goodness. Okay, I'll pull the box back and we're gonna go through it slowly. We'll start with papers. We have a piece of Scrapberry You and Me collection paper. So this is one piece of 12 by 12 paper, but you can see you can cut out the individual pieces to create ephemera. So there's that. And then we have some specialty paper. We have a piece of, let's see if I can straighten out the camera I knocked around. So a piece of this gorgeous, gorgeous reflective paper, and this is in pink. And then we have a piece of red cardstock. You can see there's a metallic sheen to it. So as you move it, so some more. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And then, let's see, specialty papers! We have 2 cards. We have, well, it's not quite 5 by 7. What is this? It is 5. Okay, it is exactly 5 by 7. Piece of 5 by 7 textured card frame with matching envelope. And then a 4 by 4 card frame with matching envelope. So 2 cards. We have some 6 by 6 papers. These are the 6 by 6 papers. Pop them open. And again, this kit is for all of your loving card needs. It's got a great palette for Valentine's Day or thank yous or anything you got coming up. So we got some hearts. Ooh, I like the gray. It's gray. We got an I love you paper. We have a damask. We have another sheet of hearts. Wait, is it the same? Oh no, they're different. They're different hearts. My mistake, they're different. Red. Another gray. Floral. I really like the 6 by 6 papers in this kit. There's a whole lot of variety, but they all coordinate really nicely with each other. It's gonna be a lot of fun things you can do with this collection. So those are the 12 by 12, sorry, 6 by 6 papers. Oh, I'm all kinds of crooked. I'm no longer crooked, thank you. Let's see. Ooh! I love these. Okay, so this is an Anita. This is by Do Crafts. This is Anita's pop-up. These pop out. These have been in kits before, but we haven't seen them for a little bit. These pop out and make 3-dimensional pieces. So it's a decoupage sheet, and obviously with a fun romance theme to it. What else do we have? We have some Remarks Valentine's Day stickers with letters and sentiments. I love sentiment stickers. And it looks like there's 2 sheets. They're cardstock stickers. Yes. 2 sheets. Oh, and when you plop them open, you realize they're different. And this is by American Crafts. Let's see. Oh, we have another cute little card frame. We have a cute little, teeny tiny little card frame. Well, that's cute. It'd be perfect in flowers. Okay. Now we have a sheet of rhinestones. These have got a nice shine to them and they're floral. The stamp this month is by Prima and it's called Love Clippings, and obviously it's got the nice love. It's got an arrow, heart, and it says "You're my everything." So it's a nice sentiment. I like the little hearts. The hearts will come in candy. There's a little teeny tiny individual heart, and then there's a set of 3. So there's that. We get a die this month. Ooh, this is exciting. Did not know we got a die this month. And it's a really intricate heart die by X-Cut. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. What else do we have? We have... It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, it's in my lap, so I don't have to reach so hard. We have baby buttons. Look how tiny and cute these little buttons are. They're little tiny heart buttons. So we have baby buttons. We have some floral. I like the floral. We have a big sheet of lace, and I can't even tell if it's a really wide sheet or if it's just a lot of it. It's a lot of it. Ooh, look how pretty that lace is, though. So it's nice lace. And then we have the exclusive With Love Sparkle Blend Kit. So this is exclusive to the January kit, and it's got all kinds of, it coordinates gorgeously with the kit. So lace. And then we have 2 more things. We have some Scrapberry Stain Ink. This is a water reactive ink, and this one is in red. I'm excited. I don't own the red yet. I've almost bought it a couple times. Just let me pop it open and show you the red. We'll get it all over my desk. So I've got a scrap piece of paper. So the red is vibrant. But it is water reactive. Now this is just plain cardstock, but see how nice and water reactive it is? So yay, red! And then we have, I'll flip that over. We have some Nuvo drops in, is this Morning Dew? It is Morning Dew. So this is my favorite of the Nuvo drops because it's nice and shiny and clear. And you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. So there we go. That is this month's kit. I think I got everything. Yep, I got everything. This much good. So stay tuned as we start creating, the design team starts creating with all the fun things that are in this kit. Happy crafting, everybody.